Hey, welcome back to Renanda's channel. Yes, welcome back to Renanda's channel. Yes, I know I've been gone. I've been in and out with my Dollar General hauls. But just trust me and believe me, I am coming back to where I'm doing it within the week too. Okay? Now this is going to be a 5 off of 25. So today is Saturday. Happy Saturday. But y'all, I am coming back. I just been having other things that I've been trying to do on my channel, a deal during the week. I know I said it on the last one, but believe me, I am, okay? I do apologize, okay, that I didn't do what I said I was going to do because other things had been coming up during the week. So I've been trying to do other things that you've seen on my channel, but that is due to something else that I'm trying to do, okay? But believe me, I said, let me bring my people, my couponing people, a deal that you can do today, because today is Saturday. And again, like I said, happy Saturday. I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. And if you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you be notified when I bring you another Dollar General haul. Okay? So, I'm going to go through this with you all of what I got and what I purchased, which is good. Okay? So, I was going into the Dollar General to actually do the Scott deal. Scott was gone. I wanted to do the toilet paper. The paper towel, I really didn't even pay attention to the paper towel because I wanted to do the Scott. And when I seen the shelf was bare, I said, OMG, what am I going to do? So I had to put this deal together on a quickness because I was like, I don't know what else, because I had the Scott deal already in my mind to do, and they didn't have none. So let's go ahead and get to this haul. So the first thing I got was this 4 = 16, this Mega Cottonelle Ultra Comfort, and I think they have a one that's blue. It says Ultra Clean. So this is $5, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. So then the next thing I got with this Oral-B Indicator Max is in medium. Lord, I can't even talk. In medium, and it's a 2 times value pack. This is $5, and there was a $2 off digital coupon that did. No, I'm sorry. It wasn't 2. It was 3. A $3 off digital coupon that did attach to this. The next thing I got, y'all, this big old 100.5 ounces. Look, this was $9.95, but there is a $3 off digital coupon that did attach to this. Y'all, when I show y'all how much I paid, I'm going to show y'all the reason why I said y'all, okay? So then the last thing I got was these Energizers. The Energizers, let's see how much they are. The Energizers, $5. These Energizers right here, I got the triple A's and then also the double A's. They $5, and there is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now there is a $1 also. So do not clip that $1 if you're scanning. Make sure that you do scan everything. But if you've already know that you got that $3 clip, that $1, once you scan this, that $1 is going to pop up. Do not click attach to it. Do not click it so it can attach, because if you click it, the $1 is going to come off and not the 3. Okay? So I had to get this to $25 because, 5 off of 25. So I picked up these Red Hots. I haven't had Red Hots in a long time. So I love me some Red Hot. So these was $1. So I picked those up so I can go over the 25, so I can get up to $25, but it went over to $25, I think, and 50 cents, which is fine with me. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. So after all my digital coupons came off, my subtotal was $10.50. Now, there's no coupon for the Red Hots, okay? The candy. There's no coupons for that, okay? But after I scanned everything, like I said, my subtotal was $10.50. Now, y'all, this right here is $9.50. Yeah, $9.50 for this. So I actually paid for this and then got me some Red Hots for $1. Yeah, everything else was free. So if y'all ain't out here trying to do this couponing game, I know the digital coupons and also the manufacturer coupons now are starting to suck sometimes, and the prices are going up. I understand. But some of these deals you can do up under $10. Okay? You might go over a little bit, but some of them you can do under $10 and build you a stockpile. Slow. You know what I'm saying? However you want to do it. So let me show you my receipt. There go my receipt right there. $10.50. My total savings was $15. I did use a gift card, which was $4 that I had on my app. And then I paid $7.73. But the whole total was $10.50. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. And then I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. Now, Saturday, I probably won't be doing a 5 off of 25 because I have to do something on Saturday. Saturday and Sunday, this weekend that's coming up, not this weekend, but next weekend coming up, the 20th and the 21st and the 22nd, I'm going to be busy. So, no videos is not going to go up on those 2 days because I am not for Dollar General, okay? It might be for something else, but not for Dollar General. There would not be any video going up for that, okay? So, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel, which is Renanda's channel.